Meaning of identity card.
Identity card.
Identity card.
Identity card.
Identity card. An identity card, also known as an ID card, is a government-issued document that confirms a person's identity and personal information. It typically contains the person's name, photograph, date of birth, and other identifying information such as their address or national identification number. Identity cards are commonly used to verify a person's identity in situations such as opening a bank account, crossing international borders, or voting in elections. The use of identity cards is controversial in some countries due to concerns about privacy and government surveillance, while others see it as a necessary tool to combat fraud and criminal activity.